Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install and set up the Canon PIXMA MP760 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google search, you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP760 support, and you want to search for that. Best result that comes up on this page should be for Canon support for PIXMA MP760. Go ahead and open that up. And scroll down underneath software and drivers and expand that. Scrolling down again, select the My Printer file in here and select the corresponding download button. Once it's downloaded to our computer, open up that file, select yes if you receive a user account control prompt, select next and select your region, country, agreeing to license terms, as well as setting the installation file path right there. And you can create a desktop shortcut if you would like. Select complete, and then you should be good to go. If for some reason you're still having a problem, you may need to come back into that utility and selecting diagnose and repair will launch additional troubleshooting steps you can try to proceed with. But pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.